Aura, the ultimate drone with gesture robotics mind-blowing technology. Simply put the glove on and feel the power of having Aura right in your hand. Make 360 flips and show your skills flying like a pro right out of the box. Controlling a drone has never been so easy. New Aura, you have the power. From KD Interactive.
Meet AirSelfie 2, the first HD pocket-sized flying camera ever created. So thin and light, you can use it everywhere you go. Enhance your phone with the ultimate photo and video accessory. Taking selfies becomes easier and even funnier. So revolutionary that adapts to every lifestyle. Share images on your social media has never been so quickly through the easy-to-use app. Advanced technologies and high-quality components embedded into a ultra-durable case. Create amazing memories of your best moments with AirSelfie 2. Its anti-vibration and in-flight stability systems always guarantee great video and photos. Available in 4 different colors to suit your personality. AirSelfie 2. Small is the new big.